I used to use Docker completely wrong. For years,
Where is the
I
container?
treated containers
This
like
diagram makes
tiny,
no sense.
persistent virtual machines. I would SSH into them, manually install packages, and tweak configurations on the fly, just like a server. The results? Predictable disasters. Bloated images, constant rebuilds, and endless works on my machine errors. I was fundamentally misunderstanding Docker's purpose. I was imposing VM paradigms onto a container ecosystem. A virtual machine is a full operating system. It's designed for persistence, for state. It's a heavy-duty server. A Docker container is different. It's an isolated process, sharing the host OS kernel. It's meant to be disposable. It all clicked when I saw a senior developer using it for its real purpose. It was a revelation. Docker is for creating lightweight, immutable, and ephemeral environments to run a single application process. The lesson: Docker isn't a replacement for a VM. It's a scalpel, not a sledgehammer. Best practice 1. Build your image once. Run it everywhere. It should be identical across dev, staging, and production. 2. No SSH into running containers. If you need a change, rebuild the image. This is immutability. 3. Each container runs one main process. A web server here, a database there, not a full-blown operating system. 4. Use multi-stage builds. Keep your final images tiny and secure. Only ship what you absolutely need. 5. Leverage Docker Compose for multi-container applications. Define your services, networks, and volumes once. Embracing this changed everything. Smaller images, faster deployments, and true consistency across all environments. Docker is not just a tool. It's a paradigm. Master it and elevate your entire development workflow. Join Nexus AI.